Hey guys, what's going on? MDVLosia here. So today it's my time to unboxing a brand new TPU rugged ammo case for my Xiaomi Redmi Note 7. And so, without further ado, let's get started. Actually, this is not my first time review and unboxing this case. It's a second time actually. And I did this review and unboxing before back in 2019. Same case, same brand, and also same shop, but unfortunately last 2 years the case is broken and can't be used anymore. Also it's very sticky, so this is the replacement second time. Alright, so let's unbox. But before that, this is my Redmi Note 7. Stay in good condition. The back of the box, fashion case. It costs about 15 ringgit only. So here's the case. Let's take a look before we install to the My 7. The ultimate experience, Xiaomi Note 7. Very nice finishing, good cutting, carbon fiber at the top and bottom. Now let's install on my phone. So here's my phone. Right side in first because the volume and the power button, and then just click. That's it. Look at that. How beautiful it is. Wow. It really matched on this phone. Very heavy after the case applied. Very nice. So happy for the replacement. Finally I got another one for this Note 7 because this is my favorite case ever on any phone. And so before I end this video, you can give a feedback for my unboxing and review after installing the TPU rugged ammo case for my Redmi Note 7. Comment below. And so that's all for me. Thank you very much and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you on next video. Goodbye and have a nice day. Hope you like it.